While studying cytogenetics, we come across some terms like chromatin, chromatid, and chromosomes where we normally get confused. So this is Surali at Lessons Learned here with another video on journey from DNA to chromosome. Let's start with chromatin. In a eukaryotic cell, DNA doesn't exist by itself, rather forms a complex with a special type of protein called as histone protein, which is a group of basic or positively charged protein. Here, histones function as an anchor bind to DNA forming nucleosome, just like beads on a string, as in euchromatin, or in a compact form as in heterochromatin. The main function of chromatin is to efficiently package the DNA into a small volume so that it can fit into the nucleus by protecting the DNA structure and sequence. Another function is its necessity during cell division to prevent chromosome breakage and control gene expression and DNA replication. Next comes the chromatid. So what is chromatid? It is a part of chromosome which is thick, fibrous structure formed by supercoiling of chromatin. During the synthesis phase of interphase, the synthesis of DNA and histone results in replication of a chromatid to make a copy of itself. It is arranged as two chromatids next to each other forming a dyad, and now the whole structure is called as chromosome. So, structurally, chromatid is one copy of a chromosome after DNA replication. During mitosis, when the DNA is transferred to the two daughter cells, one of each of those chromatids is transferred to each of the two cells. Chromatid only appear when the cell undergoes mitosis. Now we will discuss on chromosome. As we know, a pair of two identical sister chromatids join at a constricted point having a specific DNA sequence called centromere. They form a chromosome. It is present inside the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. So chromosome is the structure that housing DNA in a cell. We commonly found chromosome as X shaped. In human body, each cell consists of 23 pairs, that is 46 in number, chromosomes. It can be found throughout the life cycle of a cell. So this is all about chromosome and its journey that has started from DNA and having different names throughout the cell cycle. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share, and those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.